Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Shack. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to do some awesome Halloween DIYs. So there are 3 DIYs for you today. So let's start out with this first one. So this first one is just a frame that I actually picked up at a garage sale. It had no back or anything like that on it. So as you can see, I'm just pulling off the little metal things behind it. And then all I did was just kind of give it like a quick dry brush of black to just give it that spookiness. So, and I love this gold on here, and I didn't mind this gold, but you can paint it all black if you want, but just find an old frame. That's it. So then after that, I grabbed this skeleton. I actually already had this skeleton, and I forget where I found him, but I had it in my stash, and I just clipped off the top of it. So I'm going to have him kind of like sitting on the frame. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to do some zip ties. So I actually just did 1 to 2 zip ties, and he actually stayed right on there. So I'm going to take his foot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue his foot to the corner of the frame because it actually fits perfectly. And then I'm going to take the other foot and glue it just like so. And then here comes the fun part. Now we're going to do some floral. So I just grabbed some floral that I actually already had from Hobby Lobby. I got some black picks from Michael's a long time ago, and I just zip tied that to the corner of the frame. So then I'm going back in with some flowers to some leaves just to kind of cover up that stem a little bit. And then I went right back in my stash and I found this little sign that I actually grabbed at Dollar Tree. You get like 2 of them for $1.25. So what I did was I just took some twine and I actually just tied it on the skeleton's arms. And then all I did was just take some hot glue and just kind of secure the ends of it. After that was done, I decided to grab some spiders from the Dollar Tree. Now these are ring spiders, and what I did was I just glue them wherever I really wanted to. So of course I put some on the skeleton, and I put 2 of them on the floral. So I did put the one on right on top of the pumpkin as well, just to give it very spooky vibes. And that was it for this one, guys. This actually came out so cool. I absolutely love it. You could put it on a door. You could put it like anywhere in your house. Okay, for this next DIY, I actually grabbed this from Hobby Lobby. Now, I already put something on there, and I'm just going to paint right over it. So this is from Hobby Lobby. It was like $4.99. I got 40% off of that. So all I did was paint the inside black. So then I am taking this skeleton, and I got a big skeleton a long time ago, but he's been in the family for years, and I think I got him at Big Lots, okay? Well, his head actually fell and cracked off, so I'm going to do something with the body of it. So all I did was dry brush this with black paint, okay? And then all I did was glue the skeletal body on this frame, and it fits perfectly. So let's do some fun things. So now I'm going to pull out some Dollar Tree flowers, and I'm just gluing them wherever. And I'm taking those black picks, and I'm going to glue those inside of the skeletal body and just kind of curve them over, and look how cool this came out. This is my favorite one for today. I love this one. It's fun, it's different, and you can actually maybe bump it up a little bit, like put some more flowers if you wanted to, but have fun with it. So for the last DIY is going to be an easy one. This lantern actually came from Dollar Tree, and this witch hat pick came from Michael's. I did get this a couple years ago. Maybe they have them as of right now, but it is a cute little witch hat. So what I'm doing is I pulled off the stem of it. I'm going to glue the hat to the lantern, and then I'm just going to take one of these brooms that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to glue the broom on top of the witch hat. And then after that, I decided to cut the ends of that ribbon because they were way too long, and I'm just going to add more to the tails of the ribbon. And then that was it for this one. I did put some Dollar Tree little vines on there as well, and I love this one. This one actually gives me that spooky vibe too, and I hope you guys love every single one of these. I want to know which one is your favorite for today because the second one is mine. And I hope you enjoyed and you have a wonderful weekend. And if you want to subscribe, I would love you on board, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Take care.